know what? We're gonna need this from another angle.
So as you guys can see, my New Year started off a little rough. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. I know it has been ages since I uploaded a video. Don't worry, the channel's doing fine. Just going over a obviously major incident that happened with the truck today. And as you can see behind me, I don't even have the truck back yet. So comment below if you even remember what you were doing the last time I uploaded a video. So the Tacoma got hit, I think it was like the 5th or 6th of January, like what, 2.5 months ago now? And still waiting to get my truck back. Not because of the body shop, not because of insurance BS, even though there is a little bit of that going on, obviously, but because of Toyota's lovely supply issues. They are waiting on parts that they need to get before they can even get started fixing my truck. So super frustrating. It's gonna at least be another couple weeks or maybe even a month before I get the truck back. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video out. Probably should have done it a few weeks ago, but I didn't know what was going on at the time, just to let you guys know what's going on. So let's rewatch the video and analyze what the hell happened. And a few quick things to point out from the dash cam footage. You can see I had the green, the right of way in the intersection. You can also tell it was a very busy intersection anyway. People kept just turning through at the last second. There was a truck, and then at the very last second I was eyeballing the last sedan that was in the actual turn lane to come through, which is why for that split second I didn't even see the maroon, I guess, Volvo SUV who wasn't even in the turn lane, who decided at the last second just to go ahead and plow through, and that's why he hit me. I had slowed down for the intersection, I did everything right, and I still got whacked. Thankfully, he hit me as I was going through at the rear part of my bolt-on sliders, and that took the brunt of the hit. You can see the damage it did to his vehicle. It popped my tire, it dinged the sliders up. I'm pretty sure the Tacoma would have been totaled had it not been for the armor. So armor literally saved the Tacoma, even on the road. Now, sadly, my truck did turn off as soon as I got hit, which is why the dash cam shut off. So that's, I guess, something to be aware of. A little irritating, I guess, especially since I literally almost tipped over. It felt like another 3 or 4 degrees, maybe 5 degrees of angle I would have rolled over. So it was a little scary. The impact itself didn't feel like it was too bad. I wasn't hurt or anything, and neither was the other guy. Not that we care about him at all. Another quick thing to point out is on the driver's side, my rear door and the bottom panel, these things obviously are going to need to be either replaced or repaired and repainted. So the body shop is going to have to take off the orange vinyl wrap in those areas. So they asked me about if I wanted it replaced, and it's really not going to match at all since my wrap now is like 5 years old. Little stained and weathered and all that stuff. So even if they got the exact same wrap and rewrap that part, probably gonna look kind of weird. So I'm fairly certain I'm gonna be taking the truck back to its original paint, which is black, in case you guys did not know. So first of all, comment below on what you think of that, or if you think I should get it rewrapped and try to match it as close as possible. And if I do end up going back to the black paint, would you guys like to see like an unwrapping video, obviously like sped up, just to see the process and things to be aware of? Or should I just do a video just revealing the new black truck? So you know what to do, comment below and let me know. Hopefully you guys don't get any accidents in your Tacomas, since Toyota's supply chain is really making this a giant pain in the ass. I will of course update you guys as soon as I have more news, or hopefully the truck back, which maybe a few weeks from now. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up.